Is pre-workout really worth it, or is it just clever marketing in a flashy tub? Let's break down the science. No hype, just facts. Pre-workout supplements are designed to boost energy, focus, and performance during your training sessions. Most formulas rely on key ingredients like caffeine, creatine, and beta-alanine, each backed by real research. Caffeine stimulates your central nervous system, increasing alertness and focus. Creatine helps your muscles produce energy faster for strength and power. Beta-alanine buffers acid buildup in muscles, helping you train harder for longer. So yes, pre-workout can help you push through fatigue, lift heavier, or go longer, especially on those low-energy days or early morning workouts. But here's the truth, you don't actually need it. If your sleep, nutrition, and hydration aren't dialed in, no supplement can fix that. Pre-workout is just a temporary enhancer, not a replacement for the fundamentals. And let's talk downsides. Too much caffeine can cause jitters, anxiety, nausea, and even sleep disruption. Many products are unregulated, meaning what's on the label isn't always what's in the scoop, and over time you might feel like you can't perform without it. That's psychological dependence. So, how do you know if pre-workout is right for you? First, master the basics. Eat well, rest well, and stay hydrated. Second, try a cup of coffee as a natural alternative. Third, if you do use pre-workout, choose one with transparent ingredients and start with half a dose to test your tolerance. And always check with your doctor or dietitian if you have any health concerns. Remember, supplements can enhance your performance, but consistency builds results. Train smart, fuel right, and let your hard work, not your pre-workout, define your progress. So, is pre-workout worth it? For some, yes, it's a useful tool. For most, real progress comes from the basics done right. Hit that like button and subscribe for more science-based fitness tips. Drop a comment below, do you use pre-workout or do you prefer to go without them? Thanks for watching and catch you in the next video.